quite frankly cannot think. It does not think. The reason why it does not think is because of this little thing in the brain called the amygdala. It's this little tiny thing, right? It has a powerful control. Now, what it's meant for is to save your life. So if I'm walking, if any of you, let's say you're out here in downtown, it's late at night, you went to one of the restaurants they suggested, and you and your bestie, or you and a new friend that you just met, you were getting along so great, you were there until closing. As you're walking out the door, you hear the manager shut the door behind you and lock it. And you know what? I got to meet my Uber over here, and she's just going to walk. Or she's going to meet her Uber, and I'm going to walk because it's only two blocks, and I'm going to sit all day tomorrow. So as I start walking, I see out of the corner of my eye something moving towards me. In a nanosecond, like instantly, the amygdala takes over. Before I even think, it takes over. And you know what it does? It shoots my body full of glucocorticoids, which is this big word that just basically means cortisol, adrenaline, things that are going to make me get from point A of danger to point B of safety really, really fast. It's going to increase my heart rate, my blood pressure. It's going to make my muscles stronger than they are on an average day. And all this takes place in an instant. But you know what? It has to take that energy from somewhere. It can't just come out of the blue. So what does it do? Three main things. Shuts down this portion of the brain. The thinking portion of the brain shuts it down, because right now, I don't need to think, I just need to be safe. And that's all the amygdala is focusing on. It also slows to a crawl your digestive system and your immune system. Why? Because in this moment, if I'm going to die, it doesn't matter if my food's digested or how many white blood cells I have going through my body. Doesn't make any difference. So it shuts those down, reroutes everything to the body, literally, and I move really super fast. And I come over here and I walk in the hotel lobby and I'm like, whew, I don't know what that was, but that was crazy. And now that my amygdala knows it's safe, it kind of lets go and lets my brain activate again. And huffing and puffing coming through the door is the manager of the restaurant to hand me my phone because I left it sitting on the table. He followed. See, here's the thing. Your brain doesn't know the difference between literally life-threatening stress and perceived life-threatening stress. This is what started me on my journey 27 plus years ago, was the study of psychoneuroimmunology, how the thoughts in your brain or your mind affect the chemistry in your brain and therefore affect your immune system. There's an undeniable connection between the two.